So I'm laying in my bed, admiring my plant hanger, and then I see something. What the fuck is that? And then I look under the leaf, very close. Right there. You see it? It's a caterpillar. He ate my leaf. I was gonna eat that. Jerk caterpillar. So there's the worm jerk that went and ate my leaf. I was gonna eat that. Worm jerk. So, moral of the story. You eat my food, I eat you. Lesson learned.